All right, let's get to it. Welcome, lovers of food and life. This is the channel dedicated to all things food, travel and culture, mainly food. My name's Jen and it's great to have you here. Okay, so today we're making a salted caramel sauce, which is one of my favorites. I love anything sweet and salty, so this is perfect for me and I hope it will be for you as well. We're actually going to be using this sauce in an upcoming recipe, so make sure you take notes, make the sauce and keep it ready for the next recipe. You'll find all the details below, and if you have any questions, let me know. Let's get to it. Run the intro. Okay, so to make our sauce, the first thing we're going to do is add our sugar to a pan on a medium heat, and we're then going to add some water. We're going to allow this to caramelize, and it does take a while, so let's speed this up, shall we? Because ain't nobody got time. And while that's caramelizing, I just thought I'd let you know that I love salted caramel sauce so much that I happen to have some on hand, and they include this and this. Other brands are available. All right, so this is the type of color that we're looking for. So once it has reached this stage, it's now ready to add the butter. And once you've added the butter, you can then stir that in, and it will start to froth slightly. So just turn your heat down to a medium heat and keep stirring until the butter is fully melted into your sauce. And once it's fully melted, you can then take that off the hob. Now, this is the part that makes this sauce really special. We are going to warm up the double cream. Normally, you would add cold cream to the sauce, but I feel that warming this up ensures that you get a evenly textured sauce. So we added some vanilla just there and then continue to stir until the cream is warm. You then put the caramel sauce back onto the hob and add your warm cream to it. It will bubble this time more than it did with the butter, so just be mindful again, and you want to ensure that you add the cream in slow and steady stream. And when you are stirring, just be sure to make sure you get right down to the bottom of your pan in any places where the sauce may have gathered. So continue to stir on a low heat until that is well mixed. And once that's done, you can take that off the hob and you can then pour into your container of choice. My pan has a handle, so I can do this straight away, but if not, you can empty this into a glass measuring jug and then pour. And there you have it, salted caramel sauce, ready for you to enjoy. It's sweet, it's salty, it's caramelly, it's delicious, Okay, so before I get carried away, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the details are down below, and in the comments below, please let me know what your favorite things to eat with salted caramel sauce are, and I'll chime in also. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, merci, imela, asante sana. Bye. My name's Jen, and this is